guys to my very first video. I'll be showing you this house. I do not have a lot. It's a pretty short video, unless I just sit there and keep stitching it until I die. But I hope you guys like it. This is awkward. I wish I wasn't making this, but I don't care. Okay. Anyway, this is a homemade one. It's a homemade stitch. It's not stitch here to do stitch. Next one I have is this one. The Saucy so stitchy. I think all the stitches are Saucy so. Next one I have is this puppy. I gave two of my stitches away. So and I have one more. I'm gonna go with this one over. This is my very favorite one. It is a little seal. This is eyebrow actually. And it's super cute. It has a little bit of makeup on the bottom there. But it's okay. This is so adorable and I love the color so much. It's like my baby. I don't brush the color. I used to bring other stitches to school. I don't bring this one though because I can feel it when I really don't have to it anymore than it is. But this is really defects. That's an itty bitty defect. Itty bitty defect right there. There's a little itty bitty one over here. And sorry if you can't see that. It's like just a little piece right over. And we have a right here. They're definitely not big. And we have a little root down here. So it's a good there's only a few little roots in here.